In this video, I'll be discussing the next two theories of punishment, that is, reparation and restoration. Reparation and restoration focus on repairing harm caused by a criminal act and restoring relationships rather than purely punishing the offender. Reparation focuses on compensating the victim for the harm caused by the offender, and restoration goes beyond reparation and seeks to repair the relationships and restore the needs of victims, offenders, and society. Under reparation, offenders will be ordered to repair the damage caused by their criminal act through restitution, compensation, or other acts of accountability such as community service, while restorative justice encourages the offenders, victims, and the community to come together to make direct reparations. These are some of the examples on how restoration and reparation can take effect as a theory of punishment. Firstly, the victim-offender mediation is an alternative dispute resolution mechanism used in various jurisdictions to shift from a punitive system to justice models that seek healing, accountability, and social cohesion. Next, the restorative circles are a core practice in restorative justice which brings together affected parties such as offenders, victims, their families, and community members. It is an opportunity to share the experiences and express the needs of the parties. Restorative circles are used for minor offenses, juvenile cases, and also some serious criminal offenses with the consent of all the parties. This will help to foster accountability and healing through dialogue and mutual understanding. Also, community sentences provide a way for offenders to give back to the community that they have harmed through unpaid labor. Finally, offenders shall be required to pay financial compensation to repair the harm suffered by the victims. Let us now look at some of the advantages of reparation and restoration as theories of punishment. Firstly, it takes up a victim-centered approach by providing an opportunity for victims to play an active role in the justice process. The victims can express their needs and help to shape the outcome of the case. It will also help to reduce recidivism because the restorative processes address the root causes and promote behavioral changes, which can be a rehabilitation process for some offenders. This is also cheaper than other measures as it avoids high costs associated with punishment such as imprisonment. Reparation and restoration results in repairing the society as a whole as it focuses on building trust and restoring community harmony, which is often broken by a crime. However, there are some disadvantages as well. It may not be effective for all types of crimes. For crimes which involve extreme violence, restorative actions may not be sufficient to repair the emotional and the psychological damage caused to victims and the community. Also, restoration requires voluntary participation of all parties. However, the victims or the communities may be unwilling to participate in restorative circles for crimes involving extreme violence. Also, there is a public perception that restorative justice is too lenient to bring justice for the victims of serious criminal offenses. Therefore, it may diminish the public confidence on the criminal justice system. Also, there is the risk of the defendants simply avoiding to pay compensation to repair the harm caused to the victim. In conclusion, we can say that reparation and restoration offer significant benefits to the society as it looks at crimes as a harm to the society which needs to be repaired and restored, and it advocates social harmony and a justice system that heals rather than solely punishes the offender. Although it cannot replace all forms of punishment, it may serve as a valuable complement ensuring victims and communities play an integral role in the justice process. I hope you are clear with the two theories, reparation and restoration. If you have any questions, please comment, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you.